Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 30 MCQ from survey. First question: which of the following scale is the largest one? Option A: 1 centimeter is equal to 50 meter. If the probable error in an observation is plus minus 0.04 meter and that of the mean is plus minus 0.01 meter, then the number of observations are 16. Theory of probability is applied to accidental error only. A survey is conducted with a view to prepare the map of an area to a scale of 1:1000. If a scale with least count of 0.1 mm is used for plotting, what would be the accuracy in length measurement in the field? That is 0.1 meter. The difference between the most probable value of the quantity and its observed value is residual error. Geodetic surveying is the difference from the plane surveying because of the curvature of Earth. The error due to the bad ranging is cumulative positive. Offsets are short measurement of the chain line. Which of the following instrument is generally used for baseline measurement? That is inboard tape. An inboard tape is made of an alloy of nickel and steel. Number of links in a 30-meter metric chain is 150. Ranging is the process aligning the chain in a straight line between two extremities. The principle of working from whole to serving because accumulate of accumulation of error is prevented. Figure shows one of the brass tallies of 30-meter chain. Distance of this tallies from the nearest end of the chain is 10 meter. During chaining along a straight line, the leader of the party has 4 arrows in his hand while the follower has 6. Distance of the follower from the starting point is here data is insufficient. A metric tape is made of cloth and wires. For a well conditioned triangle, no angle should be less than 30 degree. Figure shows that the entries in a field book for a chain line AB. What is the angle between chain line and the railway line is 45 degree. Chain line and railway line. Next question: what is the distance between trees T1 and T2? 5 meter. The position of a point can be fixed more accurately by perpendicular offset. The main object of running a tie line is to take details of nearby objects. Which of the following is an obstacle to chaining but not to ranging? That is river. A building is an obstacle to both chaining and ranging. The main difference between an optical square and the prism square is that no adjustment is required in a prism square since the angle between the reflecting surface cannot be changed. The angle of intersection of the two plane mirrors of an optical square is 45 degree. The allowable length of an offset depends upon the degree of accuracy required, method of setting out the perpendicular and the nature of ground, scale of plotting, all the above. Which of the following angles can be set out with the help of French crosstaff, either 45 or 90? Which of the following method of offset involve less measurement on the ground? Method of perpendicular offset. The permissible error in changing for measurement with chain or rough or hilly ground is 1 is to 1 in 250. The correction for sag is always subtractive. So that's all. 30 questions done. Thank you.